Hello student, I am Biraj Singh from Govindpur Sefali Memorial Polytechnic College. Today we will discuss about color image processing. At first, what is color image processing? In color image processing, we just define full color image processing. Okay. Then what is the full color image processing? Full color image processing illustrates of how full color images are handled for a variety of image processing tasks. And full color image processing approaches fall into two major categories. In first categories, we process each component image individually and then from a composite process color image from the individual process component. And in second category, we work with color pixel directly. In first pixel, we process each component image individually, and in the second image, we work with color pixel directly. Because of full color image have at least 3 components. In full color image, at least 3 components are present, and color pixel really are vectors. Suppose an example in the RGB system. RGB means red, green and blue system. Each color point can be interpreted as a vector extending from the origin to that point is the RGB coordinate system. Okay. Suppose let's C represent an arbitrary vector in RGB color model or color space. So C equals to, in matrix form, C suffix R, C suffix G, C suffix B, or you can write capital R, capital G, capital B in matrix. And these equation indicate that the component of C are simply the RGB component. Component of C are simply the RGB component of a color image at a point. And we take into account the fact that the coloring component are a function of coordinates. Any image of a function of coordinates, and here also it is a function of coordinates x and y by using the notation. What notation we use here? Notation is C of xy equals to C suffix R xy, C suffix G xy and C suffix B xy, or you can write simply R of xy, G of xy and B of xy in matrix form. For an image of size m cross n, suppose m cross n size image, there are mn such vector, m into n such vector. C of xy for x, where x value is where x equals to 0 to m minus 1 and y equals to 0 to n minus 1. And our interest lies in spatial process. There are two different process. Here we apply only spatial process. That is, we are interested in image processing technique formulated in x and y. X and y are coordinates. And the result of individual color component processing are not always equivalent to direct processing in color vector space, in which case we must formulate a new approach. And in order for pre-color component and vector-based processing to be equivalent, two conditions have to be satisfied. There at least 2 conditions have to be satisfied. First, the process has to apply it to both vector and scalar. The process has to apply it for both vector and scalars. And second, the operation on each component of a vector must be independent of the other component. Suppose here in full color image there are, suppose there are grayscale image, and one is RGB color image. And here we next figure, this figure shows neighborhood spatial process. Okay, and first one is grayscale image. In grayscale image, only one spatial filtering are present in x and y axis. And in RGB color model image, there are 3 different color model are present in x and y axis. 3 different. Why 3 different? Because RGB means red, green and blue for 3 different color. Okay. Just remember these 2 picture. Okay. Suppose grayscale image is figure 1 and RGB color image is figure 2. Okay. And here the process is neighborhood overgaining, the process is neighborhood overgaining. In figure 1, that is important part. In figure 1, averaging would be accomplished by summing the gray level of all the pixels in the neighborhood. I already say that what is the neighborhood of a pixel. Okay, and they are the gray level of the pixel in the neighborhood and dividing by the total number of pixels in the neighborhood. Okay, in figure 1, averaging would be accomplished by summing the gray level of all the pixels in the neighborhood and dividing by the total number of pixels in the neighborhood. In figure 1, means grayscale level. And in RGB color scale, in figure 2, averaging would be done by summing all the vectors. Here summing all the vectors in the neighborhood and dividing each component by the total number of vectors in the neighborhood. Okay, total number of vectors in the neighborhood. In figure 1, in grayscale level, how averaging would be calculated? By summing the gray level of all the pixels in the neighborhood and dividing by the total number of pixels in the neighborhood. And in figure 2, means in RGB color model, averaging, how averaging calculated? All the vectors in the neighborhood, summing all the vectors in the neighborhood, divided by each component by the total number of vectors in the neighborhood. Each component by the total vector in the neighborhood. Okay, thank you.